Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show how to enable access control on MongoDB to use default authentication mechanism and create administrator and password. Let's get started. Follow this procedure and saw this video instruction to the end. First, start MongoDB without access control. Copy and then open a terminal. My DB path is data DB start, and then open a new terminal. Mongo 2017 27017, then if port, hit enter. Now create the user administrator. Here use admin, switch to DB admin, then create a user and password by this db dot create user here username me, password you can use clear text password. Here new password roles role user admin ID database db admin permission read write any database successfully added user. Now shut down by this command. Here inventory, shut down the Mongo instance here. Automatically shut down, and then now exit Mongo shell, exit, start Mongo with access control enabled. This copy, db path, data, db, and then go to Mongo shell, Mongo, and now exit Mongo shell with username and password. Username me, and then password, new password. That's it working. So viewers, if you like this video, then share your feelings by commenting and like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.